quarantine kitchen. Sick. Today I want to talk about cooking pasta. This happens to be spaghetti, but any pasta. The idea of just chucking spaghetti in the wall to see when it's done, or testing it 3 times to see if it's done. It says on the package. Just read the package. This one, 9 to 11 minutes. I like to go 9 minutes. That way, if you cook it more, you can warm it up in the sauce, and a little bit of the sauce sucks in for 2 minutes. You get more flavor there. With the spaghetti, if you want to do a power move, you grip it. If it's kind of loose, like just gripping the plastic more than the pasta.
Like you're gripping your...
And if I was that thick, imagine. Oh, it'd be important. Power move, ready? You can do this at home.
Yours isn't that thick? Alright, fair enough.
Yours is? Really? Jesus.
Suck it and see.
Oh, it's not gonna suck itself, is it? Ready? Power move. There, spin the whole thing. 10?
Take 10, well done.
Take 10. Come on, bro. Then, have a nice convenient timer. 9 minutes. Walk away. Don't come around testing it. Is it done yet? Is it done yet? It says on the package. It says on the package. Right? Right, Arian?
Yeah.
Where does it say it?
Okay.
Where does it say it? Nice. We'll come back 9 minutes later. And then, we're not going to shock it with nice water. We're just going to drain it. Put a little bit of oil on it and let it cool down, and that keeps all the nice starch from the pasta water and itself, just on itself. If you rinse it in cold water, you rinse away a ton of flavor and a ton of like thickening possibilities that just make your sauce a little bit more unctuous, a little bit better. I learned this from an Italian guy. It's the way. So don't worry about overcooking the pasta because it's still hot in the colander or the strainer. It can't cook anymore. It's not touching water. It cannot cook anymore. So you're safe. You won't overcook, I promise. And that way, the cheapest ingredient of your dish, which is almost always the pasta, is not running your life and you're like stressing about as the pasta comes. Just do it ahead of time. It's easy. Finish. So the timer is done. I don't even need to check it. I just know it's done. Doesn't get any simpler than that, folks. Pasta's not magic. It's not magic at all. Literally flour and water. Let it drain a bit. Make sure the only thing you're worried about is it's sticking to itself. That is quite annoying when it sticks to itself. That's what it is. A few drops. That's it. Let it cool off. Walk away. Do something else. But the idea of taking hot pasta into a hot pot with guests waiting. That's it. Happy quarantine. Hope everyone's alive and healthy. Hope their spirits are high. Ours aren't. Are they? Our spirits high?
Always.
Wow, he sounded, there's no conviction at all. Yeah, we're almost done. Almost done. Happy quarantine, everyone. Nice patty, I see what you did there.